Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Really excited about today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 business bank accounts that every single cleaning business needs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the content. So the importance of having a separate bank account and just having different bank accounts for your business is at an all-time high. Number one, you do not want to commingle your business finances with your personal finances. So I'm going to share with you guys a little bit about that and how to keep them separate. But I think overall, as you are managing your finances for your business, it's no difference in how you manage your finances in your real life, right? Like in your personal life, I should say. As a cleaning business owner, it's important to have a financial plan that is solid to ensure that your business runs smoothly. And I will tell you that one key aspect of having a financial plan and being financially savvy is having the right bank accounts. So in this video, we will discuss the 5 bank accounts that every single cleaning business needs to ensure that they have profit. So without further ado, let's dive into this. Go ahead, grab your notebook, grab your pen, something to write with, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you want to make sure that you have before you can even get a business account is you want to make sure that you have your business set up properly. So I'm not going to go into like your EIN and all of that stuff, but of course you need that information to just make sure that your business is set up properly so that you're eligible to get the business account. So that if you're watching this video, hopefully you already have that done. If not, go back and watch my other videos where I share with you all about how to set up your information in that regard. So the first thing that I will say is that, the business bank accounts honestly don't really vary person to person based upon, whether you're commercial or whether you're residential. But there are some variations based upon how you run your business, right? Like, for example, you may not, need a specific type of account if you are a business owner that, you have maybe multiple 6 figures of cash flow operating your business. So take this information and use it as needed for your business, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get started. So the first thing that I will say is that you absolutely need a savings account for your business. So the savings account for your business is where you can really just save for a rainy day, right? If you're having payroll and having to make payroll, that's going to be important because you need to make sure that you have a backup account in case things are slow or someone doesn't pay you, but you can still pay your employees. So I highly recommend that the first account that you make sure that you have is a savings account. The next account that you definitely want to have is an account that is only specific for payroll. So this is an account where you are putting money in, you're taking money out, but it's only specific to the payroll that you're processing in your business. And if you are just starting out, these are still accounts that you will need because, you will be able to kind of manage your cash flow, transfer funds between the accounts to make sure that everything is set up in your business. So savings account and a payroll account. There should not, whenever you have your payroll account, it shouldn't be anything in that payroll account except for what you are processing for payroll specifically. If you have other stuff in that account, then that means you're not really using the account for what it should be used for. So definitely make sure excuse me guys, I'm just getting over a cold, but definitely make sure that you have that your savings account as well as your payroll account set up. The next thing that I think is just so important is you want to have an account for your business expenses. So your business expenses, it may look different for you than it does for other people. For me, I have an actual office, right? And so I have overhead there. I have to make sure that all of that money when I pay my my rent and all of that kind of stuff comes out of there. But for you, you may not have all that. You may have just a couple systems in your business, maybe some marketing and things that you're using, but you definitely want to have something that is specific to like your expenses day to day in your business. Now, that should not be the same as your payroll account. And that also should not be the same as your savings account, okay? The next account that you want to have is account for your taxes. Now, as a business owner, you will have to make sure that you have your taxes, that you have money set aside, because when Uncle Sam comes to get his money, he's not going to be asking you, letting you delay and just saying, well, you commingled your funds and you don't have the money, so that's okay. No, you're going to have to pay. So making sure that you truly have that account is going to be critically important in your business overall, okay? Now, the thing about being a business owner is that you don't have to do all of these at once. Like, you know, scaling your business and really making sure that you are focused on your business in different areas is going to be key. Don't try to jump out there day one and get all these accounts. I mean, you can, it's the right thing to do, but I would just say take your time. And if you're looking for, okay, where should I go? What is the best place to go? And to get an account, I would highly recommend that you start with a credit union. You can start with a local credit union. You can start with the local credit union because the local credit union usually has very low rates. And a lot of their rates are, you know, better than the average other banks like the Wells Fargo or the Bank of America or any of those. So check out your credit union before. And remember that whenever you go and you sign up for a bank account, you definitely want to make sure you bring all of your paperwork for your business just to ensure that you have all of that set up correctly, okay? So just to recap, on this video, I've shared with you guys some accounts that you absolutely should have when you're just starting out in your business as you're setting up your business. If you have any questions, if I can assist you, I have a 30-minute session and I have a 1-hour session that I will be able to assist you in. So all you will need to do is click the link below this video and you can schedule a 30-minute coaching session and a 1-hour coaching session. These rates will not stay the same, okay? So many of you have already scheduled your session and we've had some really great conversations. If you have not done so, definitely click that link and schedule so that I can answer your questions, all right? Well, I'm going to end the video there. Thanks for bearing with me because I'm a little bit under the weather, but you got to still push through, right? So I would love to have you guys join our private Facebook community, Mack Maids Academy, that I'm so super excited about. So if that's something that you're interested in, just type community below and I will make sure I send you the information. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other.